One of the consequences of the terrible impact of the coronavirus in India is that it appears to have dented the near impregnable image of Prime Minister Modi. And this time it's been questions raised, even those who've been sympathetic or admirers of the Prime Minister or the BJP. Amongst the first and most significant was a piece by the US-based scholar Vamsi Jalluri, which has now gone viral. He's otherwise a supporter of Mr. Modi, but he wrote a piece in which, amongst others, he asked the Prime Minister, or rather he said, what will the Prime Minister do with the lie of delusion? And then there was the film actor Anupam Kher, also seen as a supporter of the government. But unusually, in an interview to my colleague Sanket Upadhyay, in comments which have since gone viral, Mr. Kher was actually quite critical of the government. Let's listen.
We should, as people, as I said to you, get angry. And it is important to hold government responsible for what has happened. Somewhere they have slipped, and it's important that, and it is time for them to sort of understand that there is much more to life than just image building, maybe.
And then there's the academic Makarand Paranjpai, who's the director of the Indian Institute of Advanced Studies in Shimla. Again, someone seen as a sympathizer of the government. Writing in the Hindustan Times, he says, it's clear that Modi's image has taken a beating and that the Prime Minister needs to course correct. Now, it's not just prominent voices, but on social media, ordinary BJP workers and Modi bhakts who've been hit personally by the pandemic have come out strongly in criticism. In Agra, a man called Amit Jaiswal Jain, who's been followed by the Prime Minister on Twitter, died of the coronavirus. His sister used his handle to send SOSs to the Prime Minister and other top BJP leaders. The family claims no help came and they took off a Modi sticker which was pasted on Amit Jain's car after he died. This is what Amit Jain's brother-in-law told the print.
जायसवाल जेल ने पूरी अपनी जिंदगी पीएम मोदी जी के लिए निकाल दी, एक एक चीज उनके लिए फॉलो किया। उसकी गाड़ी में स्टिकर लगा हुआ था, पीएम मोदी जी की फोटो लगी हुई थी, हमने बिल्कुल उस स्टिकर को उखाड़ दिया। ऐसे पीएम साहब की हमें क्या जरूरत है जो हेल्प नहीं कर रहे हैं हमारी।
In Ghaziabad, in Uttar Pradesh, Arun Kumar Goyal, BJP member who lost his mother-in-law because he reportedly could not get her a hospital bed, also went public with his anger against the ruling party. My colleague Mariam Alavi interviewed him earlier today.
सुबह 8 बजे से लेकर रात को 3 बजे तक हमने कम से कम मोदी नगर टू मेरठ एंड मेरठ टू गाजियाबाद एंड फरीदाबाद हमने कम से कम 12-13 हॉस्पिटल्स को अप्रोच किया, और जब वो भी होपलेस हो गई थी, उसके बाद में रात को हम 3 बजे उनको वापस घर लेके मोदी नगर आ गए।
खुद आप कह रहे थे कि आप बीजेपी के मेंबर हैं।
हाँ बिल्कुल, मेरे पास 4 मेंबरशिप है मेरे परिवार से।
आप कोई पदाधिकारी भी है या फिर मेंबर है?
नहीं, मैंने पद तो कोई नहीं लिया, मैं तो वैसे ही मतलब काम कर रहा हूँ। बीजेपी से तो नियर अबाउट करीब 20 साल हो गए।
और आप बहुत बड़े समर्थक थे सरकार के और मोदी जी के?
बिल्कुल, कट्टर समर्थक कह सकते हो आप।
अगर आपको लगता है आज अगर आपको वोट देना हो तो आप वापस इन्हीं को देंगे आज, अगर आज के दिन एक इलेक्शन हो तो?
मैंने अभी आपको बताया ना कि मैं भी सोचूंगा इस बारे में कि वोट दूं या नहीं दूं। हो सकता है कि मैं नोटा का बटन दबा दूं।